In this video, we will discuss an overview of parcels. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file parcelsoverview.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. Civil 3D makes it easy to design parcels by providing tools that include intelligent parcel objects, which will maintain relationships between other parcel objects so your design changes are dynamically updated. Parcels are stored in the Prospector tab under a site to better aid you in subdivision design. If I select it, you will notice that all the parcels in this drawing are contained in the Phase 1 site. As you will also see, parcels will interact with each other, thereby making it very easy to maintain the geometric relationships between each of the parcels. For instance, let's zoom into this parcel location here. I'll select this parcel line. By simply moving this parcel edge here, you'll notice that all the parcel objects will update automatically that are abutting that other parcel. Notice that there are not two parcel lines, even though there are two parcels here. They have a shared line which will maintain the geometric relationship between the two. Alignments are also part of a site. And as you can see here, I have the alignments for the main road and this side road as well. If I were to adjust these alignments, the parcels will update automatically. Parcels, as with all Civil 3D objects, have settings and styles that you need to be aware of. If we go to the Settings tab, Parcel category, we have different styles that you can use to define and automate how your parcels should be created within your drawing. Parcel styles control the display and properties of parcels. I'll go ahead and double-click this property parcel. Navigating the different tabs, you can see that you can define a fill distance. You can define the name template right here that can control the actual name of the parcel. The Section tab controls how parcels will appear in section view, as well as the Display tab, which controls if you have the parcel segments displayed, what layer they go on, and the area fill that you may want to display for your parcels. You can also define the hatch pattern that will be used to control the display of the area fill. Note that the parcel objects will display in plan, model, and section view if you so desire. The label styles also control the area, line, and curve labels. The label style called name square foot acres will display the square foot and acreage of the parcel as long as that parcel has this label style associated to it. As you can see, the General tab, as with all label styles, controls the layer that the label will go on. The Layout tab controls the content of the actual label. Note that you can add additional content by simply clicking the drop down here and adding a line, a block, whatever kind of features your standards require to plot your labels. Click on the Contents field and then click on the ellipsis button here to actually control what gets added within the actual label. There's also table styles that allow you to control line and curve tables or segment tables if you need to add those to your drawing.